Penalty on early withdrawal of savings. We kind of talked about this a little bit earlier, but here's a dedicated slide for it. The penalty on early withdrawal of savings refers to when an individual withdraws money from a savings account, certificate of deposit, or other interest-bearing account before the agreed upon maturity date, which is with the bank usually. Financial institutions often impose these penalties to discourage premature withdrawals. Now, for individual income tax purposes, the penalty on the early withdrawal of these savings can be deducted as an adjustment to income. This deduction is considered an above-the-line deduction, which means it's going to be subtracted from the individual's gross income to arrive at their AGI. Taxpayers can claim this deduction regardless of whether they choose to itemize or take the standard deduction. Now, in order to claim this penalty on early withdrawal of savings as a deduction, the taxpayer should report the amount of the penalty on Form 1040 Schedule 1 and include the total adjustments to income from Schedule 1 on Form 1040. This is going to lower their AGI and then consequently their taxable income. Again, I think it's just very helpful to see where it is in the tax forms. And as such, here's our tax forms. So you see a lot of these items here. Here's Schedule 1. Here's alimony received. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? We got unemployment compensation. Where does it go? Something like the Alaska Permanent Fund dividends. Not knocking people from Alaska, but probably going to be less common for the general populace. Jury duty pay, anything like this, right? We see where these go. Stock options over there. So a lot. Schedule C right here. Schedule C goes to Schedule 1, which then goes to the 1040. See how it all flows. Super important. Hey, look at that. This is part 2. This is the page 2 of the Schedule 1. Look at that. The self-employment portions of these, right? Look at that. Deductible part of self-employment tax. All of these, the self-employed health insurance deduction, penalty on early withdrawal of savings. All of these, they're all together right there. It's actually very nice.
Hey there. Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.